In this video, I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step guide on how to do spot trading on the BYBIT app. Now for this video, I'm going to be using the app because I believe a lot of people are using their phones to trade. So that's why I'll be using the app for this tutorial. And what you have to expect in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the BYBIT spot trading interface. I'll be showing you how to enter your take profit. I'll be showing you how to enter your stop loss. I'll be showing you how to enter your entry price. I'll be showing you how to enter trades and how to exit trades on the BYBIT spot trading page. So if you are new to spot trading on BYBIT, or you want to learn how to do spot trading to make money on BYBIT, then this video is for you. Now the first thing you need to do is to register on BYBIT. So if you don't have a BYBIT account, use the first link in the description of this video to register on BYBIT. Now once you're registered on BYBIT, the next thing is to deposit crypto into your BYBIT account. Now to deposit crypto into your BYBIT account, you can use the P2P method. Now once you deposit money via P2P into your BYBIT account, you go to your asset where the arrow is pointing to, and you'll be seeing your money in your funding wallet. So whenever you deposit money via P2P to your BYBIT account, the money will be, or the balance will be, in your funding wallet where the arrow is pointing to. So as you can see on the screen, I have 202 USD in my funding wallet. Now after you've deposited money into your funding wallet, the next thing is to transfer it from your funding wallet to your spot wallet, because you are doing spot trading. Now to do that, all you have to do is come here to where you have transfer, where the arrow is pointing to, and once you tap on transfer, the next thing is to pick where you are transferring from to where you want to transfer to. So since you are transferring from funding wallet, you come here and tap on from funding, so you pick funding right here, and then you see where you have to derivatives, so you change it to spot. So you tap on this arrow right here and tap on spot account. So you can see we are transferring from our funding account to our spot account. So the next thing is to pick the crypto you want to transfer. So since the crypto I have in my funding wallet is USDT, so I'll be picking USDT as the crypto to transfer. So you come here where you have BTC and tap on it, and you search for USDT. So you can see it at the top right here. So you tap on USDT right here, and then you enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer to your spot account. So for this video, I'll be transferring everything. So I'll tap on max right here. So if you want to transfer everything, you tap on max. So once you've done that, you come to the bottom side of the screen and tap on confirm. Now the transaction has been done, and as you can see on the screen, we have 267 USDT in the spot account. Now the next thing you need to do is to go to the spot trading page. Now to go to the spot trading page, you tap on where the arrow is pointing to where you have trade. So I'll tap on it, and as you can see right here, I'm on the spot trading page on BYBIT. Now the first thing you need to do is to pick the trading pair or the market you want to trade. Now to do that, you come here to where you have BTC/USDT, where the arrow is pointing to, and tap on it. Now once you tap on it, you'll be seeing the different cryptocurrencies that you can trade on the BYBIT spot trading page. So you can see that you have a lot of cryptocurrencies or a lot of options that you can trade right here. But before I pick one, I would like to make an explanation on what this cryptocurrency pair means. Now for example, where you have BTC/USDT. Now what does this mean? Now whenever you see a cryptocurrency slash another cryptocurrency, it means that the first crypto is called the base crypto, B-A-S-E, the base crypto, while the second one at the right side is called the quote crypto. Now what is the meaning of this? Now the base crypto, which is BTC in this example, is the crypto you are actually trading. That is the crypto you are actually buying or selling. So while quote crypto, which is USDT for this example, is the crypto you are using to buy the base crypto. So that means you are using USDT to buy BTC. So it means that BTC is the crypto we're actually buying and selling, but USDT is the crypto we are using to buy it. So I hope you understand what this means. So that is the meaning of base crypto and quote crypto. I'm just saying this in case you hear it anywhere, and also so you can know the meaning of what is BTC/USDT or BIT/USDT or ETH/USDT. So that's for that. Now for this video, I'll be picking BTC/USDT. So I'll pick it right here. So we have BTC/USDT. Now the next thing you need to do is to check out the chart. Now if you want to check out the chart, you come here to where you have chart right here and tap on it. Now once you tap on it, you take it to where you have the candlesticks and where you can do your technical analysis on the BYBIT platform. Now, if you want to do your technical analysis for this, I always advise people to get a bigger screen. You can do it on your phone, there's no doubt about that, but using the bigger screen will help you to see more and be able to know more about how to enter and when to enter. Now, on this page, it will show you the candlesticks and where you can do your technical analysis. Where the arrow is pointing to where you have time, 15M, 1H, 4H, and 1D. That's where you have your time frame. And in the middle, where you have the candlesticks, that is where you can actually put your indicators. And where you have your indicators, you can see where you have this MA, EMA, BOLL, and so on. That is where you have your technical indicators. So your technical indicators and your time frames are tools that you can use to do your technical analysis on this page. Now, this video is not to teach you about technical analysis, but if you want to know how to do technical analysis, how to use different indicators to know when to enter and when to exit a trade, or when to take profit, then you can register for the complete crypto trading course, where I'll be teaching you the step-by-step guide and all the strategies you can use to trade crypto for profit. You can check the link to the course in the description below. But let's, for example, you've done your analysis and you already know when to enter, when to take profit. I'll be showing you how to enter all of those digits on the spot trading page. Or let's say, for example, you're in a signal group and then they're giving you a signal, but you don't know how to enter the numbers or the digits on the spot trading page. I'll be showing you in this video. So let's go back to the trading page. So you come back here and tap on trade. If you come to the right side of the screen, where you have some numbers in red and some numbers in green, that's where you have the order book. Now, what is the order book? The order book is showing you the people who are in the market currently. So for the red one, it's showing you the people who are currently selling in the market, while the green is showing you the people who are currently buying in the market. So the order book is just to show you the volume at which people are buying and selling. And then the number in the middle is the market price of that crypto. So for this, BTC is currently 16,830 USD. So that is about the order book. Now let's come to the main part where you have to enter your entry price, take profit, stop loss, and all of that. Now, the first thing you need to do is to tap on whether you want to buy or you want to sell. So since you are buying first, you tap on buy right here. And the next thing is to select the order type. So to select order type, you can see where you have limit. Tap on this arrow. It will show you the different order types right here. So you have limit order type, market order type, TP or SL. TP means take profit, SL means stop loss, and conditional. So for the TP, SL, and conditional, they are the same. But I'll be showing you how to use everything in this video. Now, how do you use these order types? So to use the limit order type allows you to buy a crypto at any price of your choice. Now, let's say, for example, you want to buy with limit right now. So I'll select limit. Now, you can see that the current price of BTC is $16,828. So let's say, for example, you think, oh, maybe after you've done your analysis, you think this crypto can still come down. Maybe there's going to be a bearish trend very soon and you want to buy when it comes down. That is when you can use the limit order type. So let's say, for example, it is 16,800 now, and let's say, okay, you want to wait till when it comes down to, let's say, $16,000. So you come here to where you have this space right here and delete everything there, and then you put in the price you want to buy. So let's say you want to buy at $16,000. So what this means is that you want to wait till when it gets to $16,000 before you buy. So once you enter the amount, you come here, and to pick the amount, you see the slider that I'm moving right here. I'm sure you can see it. So you use it to slide to the percentage of USDT you want to spend. So let's say I want to spend like 50% USDT. That's 50% of what I have in my wallet. I'll bring the slider to the middle. So once you bring it to the middle, it will automatically enter the amount of BTC you are buying. So I'm buying 0.007363 BTC. And I'm spending 117.8 USDT. So it will automatically enter that for you. So once you've entered all these details, you just come here to where you have buy BTC and tap on buy BTC. And then it will bring out this pop-up for you to confirm every details you've entered. So the order price is the entry price. So whenever you get entry price, that's what you enter as your order price. And the order quantity is the amount of BTC you are buying. And the order value is the amount of USDT you are spending. So then you come here and tap on buy BTC. So if you scroll down right here, you see that you have an order that is currently open. So you can see at the bottom side of my screen. So you can see I have an open order right here. And then you can see the order price is 16,000. That means that's the price I want to enter. And the order quantity is the number or the amount of BTC I'm buying. So what this means right now is you've not entered this trade at all. So this order would be right here until when it gets to $16,000. So if the price of Bitcoin should go down to $16,000, let's say tomorrow, that means that you will have BTC in your wallet. So that means you've automatically bought your BTC at $16,000. So that is the use of limit order type. So limit order type, again, it allows you to buy at any price of your choice. Now, let's say, for example, you want to use market order type to buy. So you come back here. So let me cancel this order. So to cancel it, just come here and tap on cancel right here. Then to use the market order type, so let's change it. Let's tap the arrow right here. And then let's change it to market order type. Now, what is the market order type? The market order type allows you to enter a trade instantly, like immediately. So it allows you to buy that crypto you want to buy immediately. That's the meaning. So right here, for market order type, you are not entering any entry price or entry point. No, you are just entering the amount of USDT you want to spend. So let's say, for example, you want to spend 50% of your USDT again. Just scroll this slider, just slide it to where you have 50%. Just right there, and then you tap on buy BTC. So if I tap on buy BTC right now, this order will go in immediately and I will have BTC in my wallet. So let's check it out. So once I tap on BTC right here, to tell me to confirm my order right here, and I'll tap on buy BTC. Now for this market order type, you will notice that the order is not in the open order right here. So you can see that it is blank right here. But if I go to my assets, so let me go to my assets right here and go to under spot. So under spot, you can see that I have BTC in my wallet. So you can see I have 0.0088 BTC. So the order has gone through immediately, instantly. That is the meaning of the market order type. So that's the difference between limit order type and market order type. Now, what about the TP or SL? TP or SL, which is take profit or stop loss. So this is if you want to enter your take profit or your stop loss. So you can see that right now we just bought BTC at $16,800 and we have the BTC in our wallet already. Now let's, for example, we want to now enter like a take profit so that it will automatically sell for us when it goes up. So just come here to where you have sell. So you change it to where you have sell right here, and then you pick TP or SL, and then you come here and enter your stop loss or your take profit. So let's say, for example, we want our take profit to be $17,000. So just enter 17,000 right here, and then you change this to market. So always change it to market if you are using the TP or SL. That is advisable. And then you come here and enter the quantity of BTC you want to sell. So let's say you want to sell all the BTC you have in your wallet when it gets to $17,000. Just scroll it to where you have 100%. That's the meaning. So set it to where you have 100% and tap on sell BTC. And then you confirm your order right here and tap on sell BTC again. So right here at the bottom side of the screen, you see the order right here. So you see order price is market and the trigger price is greater or equal to $17,000. So what this means is that you want to sell BTC when it gets to $17,000. So that is your take profit. That is just the meaning. So let's say you want to enter your stop loss. You have to cancel this take profit order. You have to cancel it for you to enter your stop loss. So let's cancel this one right here. So if you want to enter your stop loss again, just change the $70,000, which was your take profit. So you change it to something lower for your stop loss. So let's change it to 15,500 for our stop loss. So let's say that was our stop loss. And then here you pick the amount you want to sell. So let's say it's 100% again. And then you tap on sell BTC and tap on sell BTC right here. So you can see that the trigger price is less than or equal to $15,500. So this means that if BTC should go down to $15,500, it will automatically sell for you and you will take your loss right there. Now, let's say, for example, you don't want to set your take profit, you don't want to set your stop loss, you just want to wait a while BTC will go up and then you take your profit immediately. So let me show you that. So let's cancel this order right here. Let me cancel it. Now, to do that, you come under sell again and you pick market order. So you pick market order. So let's say, for example, we just bought BTC at $16,800. And then let's say it is going up. Let's say in like 2 days it went up like $18,000. So in 2 days it went up to $18,000, and you want to take your profit immediately. So you don't want to miss the opportunity and wait again. So you want to take your profit immediately. So just come here, pick market order, and enter the amount of BTC you want to sell. So if you pick everything right there and you tap on sell BTC, BTC will be sold immediately. So you just come here. Let me tap on BTC and tap on BTC right here. So you can see that if I go to my wallet, I won't have any BTC in my wallet anymore. So I'll go to my asset right here, then come to spot account, And then you can see that I don't have BTC again. So you can see the BTC I just have is 0.00000015. So that's equal to 0 USD. So you can see that it has been sold immediately. So let's say you want to take your profit instantly, you can use this market order type for that. So this is a simple way for you to do spot trading and make money with it. I've shown you how to use the limit order type, the market order type, and also how to use the take profit or stop loss order type. Now, if you have any question, please drop them in the comment section below. I'll be replying to every question that I get. And don't forget, if you want to learn how to make money daily with BYBIT copy trading, where you have to just copy other traders, you don't need to do anything on your part, just copy other professional traders on the app, I have a tutorial video on that. You can check the description of this video for that. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.